yo, matter why like Snap Sunday like and there's no way to on them or meaning. But why Snap Sunday? I mean, when it's a big event in the event currently, and some event happen on event they never. But why Snap Sunday is a like it's a we only event in a promoter the artist which is up event because of but when you by attending and to the event and even with this the artist to Quran is in the had the but why Snap Sunday is a unique event in a promoter the artist event like it's not over like even a slow shot over based on vendor artist. It can be an event you have to focus about when we work with a piano both of but much of an event I'm going to be an woman. But why is a event in the other way pushes our vendor through Baba even na more interaction as the artist as the Quran. Because if na machagani, if I'm a few become from then it will become music. And it's not like Mizo every time Uba Kuyashi change and give it. But why is I regard if you're an event and the way push an event I would have woman. Because of his words if I were an event to Quran so in I this event I because of no good and because I'm checking as well. I should have one was just a certain and you had to play in woman. Because that is same was no matter why is a event in the go push her in a event. Good the event on the event, the by Saturday is why we move each way. Sunday have each going to me, by push as a event and go Kai pushing a man to look on like if you're on an interaction as that is the chrono with them. But it's based more on piano, even though Ngari is because as a DJ, yes, there is a matter why you are the artist in this event, there was a cookie Goma. No, that is the indigenous that is a Furzi, a Marazi woman. Who's birth the one bouquet was as well as Goma. But now, I feel like a way cheaper event in a year, we could push about vendor with a Kubono, but the one is it Goma Marana. At 2 end up one step Sunday you book a new vendor. One I thought even that's not let's say even in 1 hour times of job who book of event. It can be good woman. That now see and just that I realize going to so I feel like it's very more if for them would have push even being bad it now. Trainer our equivalent in a equal push on a vendor woman, but yet them our two we have under the one local person. No, it's very good for not pushing back then. I feel like that's not Sunday, but to run the change people back then because even in the sponsor as well and woman. Nothing fit and government about whichever vendor one for two one and outbreak for it. But if they're forcing on booking the artist back, is that shit they will do whatever they want.